Hey friends, so just got a quick video here that shows me mixing up a couple of blanks, making up orange and blue. As you can see there on the front, the blue is made with some black diamond pigments, which means it's actually got conflict-free crushed up diamond dust in the mix, so it'll sparkle real pretty. This was a commission from a friend who had requested a University of Florida Gator blank. Process here was fairly simple, just mixed up some Total Boat epoxy with the mica powders, mixed them up to get the really cool colors, and as you can see I'm just pouring intermittent and switching back and forth to try and get a really nice swirl pattern. Really simple, really easy, thanks to PTownSubbies for the mold. Makes it really easy to get that. Here's your top shot. After they came out of the mold, here's kind of what they look like. You can see all of the different colors, how it's sort of swirled together, and you know, hopefully these turn out really cool, and I'll post something else with a little more information.